Walmart respecting our support since Monday that we had since Monday. And when I saw a buying volume and during open a massive buying volume to confirm, I took calls on that and took it all the way to supply zone. And if you did that, you would have done 200% on this play. How you doing, everybody? Stock Option Sniper here. Today we're gonna go over one of my favorite strategy, supply and demand zone. I'm gonna show you guys how to create these zones. What are these green zones? What are these red zones? I'm gonna teach you guys everything. I used this strategy to do a 200% play on Walmart today. And yeah, let's get right to it. I want to delete everything for you guys just to see on how I create these zones, right? So first thing that I did was, let's take this out. First thing that I did was I went on my 30-minute zone, 30-minute time frame, excuse me. I'm day trading. 30-minute time frame for me is very comfortable when I'm creating these zones. The higher the time frame, the better, but 30 minutes works best for me, right? So what I did for Walmart was I've seen that on Monday. First, I created a support. I seen that on Monday. This is Thursday. This is Tuesday. This is Wednesday. This is Monday, right? This little doji right here, this doji, I created a support. Why? Because last time it was there. Let's make it blue. Determining a buy zone. Because last time it was when it hit that zone, it literally went all the way up, right? So I created that zone. Created that support. I keep saying zone, excuse me. So I created that support. And on Tuesday, it bounced off, right? And I had no confirmation. It did not break. It did not break any of my previous day high and previous day low. So I said, listen, I'm gonna keep waiting. I'm gonna see what happens, right? Keep paying attention. So I went the next day and I saw today was just like, all right, Walmart's been holding this up since Monday. And I've seen that it's consolidating, meaning it's consolidation is when a stock is trading sideways, it's choosing to do a big move, right? So I created the zone. I went to go my rectangle. I created the zone. So on the 15th, as you can see right here, Walmart had a very powerful support here. Hang on. Walmart had a very powerful support here, right? This was a very powerful support for Walmart. Also this level, right? So what I did was I'm going to use this. I'm going to take this out and I'm going to create it as a zone, right? So I went all the way here, dragging it all the way down here because last time Walmart was here too. It went all the way up, right? Boom. Also this level right here, I want to move that up. This little candle, boom. Just touching that candle. Move it down a little bit. Just make sure we get everything. Okay, moving it up now. Boom. Right. Let's make it a little thinner so we can see light green. Right. Boom. There it is. So we have our support and we have our demand zone. Right. This zone right here, it's a buy zone. Every time it gets to this level, it gets bought up. Right. Look what happened. It gets bought up. Touch it, gets bought up. Touch it, gets bought up. Gets bought up. Today gets bought up. Right. So that's how I created my demand zone for Walmart. This is how I created that buy zone, right? Then next up, I look for a sell zone. So Walmart was in this place right here, right? Last time Walmart was here, I want to create that line. Boom, just around that line, right? I want to make it thick red to make sure that we know that is our sell zone, right? So what I did was I created a zone from that area. Oh, I also went here, right? Last time Walmart was here, created that zone. And I said that's going to be my sell zone. Boom, created that zone right there. Right, dragged it all the way down. You can also put the zone right here. You can drag down the zone. Hang on, it's not letting me. There it is. You can also drag it all the way down because Walmart, when it got to here, it literally went all the way down, right? But I didn't do that. I did it here, right? I like the zone better when Walmart's trying to free test that. I said, hey, listen, it's having a difficult time, so I'm gonna make sure I create the zone from that level, right? Boom. There it is. You got a thick red zone. You got a sell zone. Now, the play for Walmart was this bounce right here, you guys. We're catching it all the way from the bottom. Uh-oh. We're catching it all the way from the bottom, all the way to the top, right? Now we're paying attention to see what Walmart is going to do once it reaches this 136 level. And we can maybe write it all the way back down or pay attention and see if it breaks and go even higher, right? But as of now, we're just playing in between the zone, right? As you can see, Walmart right here is ripping all the way up and it's trying to make its way up to this 136 level, right to this zone. So that's how I created the supply zone. So when did I take the play and why did I take the play? Well, I took the play this morning, right? Once again, I seen Walmart consolidating from the support that we had on Monday, right? So Tuesday I waited, Wednesday I waited because it has not breaking any previous high or closed above. But today I seen Walmart just ripping like crazy. Right at pre-market, I had this massive green volume just engulfing this candle right before the previous candle right before, right? And then at open, I seen a candle over candle with a massive buying volume. So I said, hey, listen, I'm taking calls here, right? The moment Walmart broke above, it ran above my previous zone, excuse me, my previous high on Tuesday. I said, hey, listen, I'm taking calls here, right? This did I say zone? I mean this level right here, right on Tuesday. Once I seen that, I said, hey, listen, guys, I'm taking calls, right? Once and also my other confirmation was Walmart never broke below this. So the only way, the direction that Walmart is choosing right after this consolidation was the upside, right? Was the upside. That was the only way this play was going to happen. Why? Because it never broke below our critical support here. So I said, hey, listen, I'm taking calls here. I'm very confident in this play, right? The play is gonna be from this 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 area right here, from the break of the candle over candle all the way to my red line, right? So I went and took 6 contract and I said, hey, listen, I'm already in there and I held all day, right? I took it for next week's expiration and my price target will be around the touch of this 136 line, right? This red zone. So the moment my Walmart call touch this green this red zone, I'm out of that play, right? And then I went to my trading view. Guys, if you don't know about this strategy, how you can go to my first video. I show you and break this strategy down. So my other confirmation was I went on my trading view, search Walmart, and I seen a buy signal on this candle right here, and I seen a grain giving me a grain trend, and I seen my MACD. Where's my vertical line? I see my MACD doing a death cross right here, right? Boom. Once I seen that, I seen the MACD also had a green candle, a green volume, and I said, listen, that's all the confirmation that I need for my calls. I took that calls and boom, took it all the way to the upside, and I'm still holding this play until it touched that red zone, like what I mentioned, right? So I'm still holding this play. I'm currently 200% in this play. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what is your zone. Comment below. But yes, guys, enjoy the rest of your week. Trade safely. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence, you guys.